Good evening. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 39, issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 26, 2026 at 1700 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as Category 4 Hurricane Melissa has resumed its intensity. At 4 p.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.4 degrees north, longitude 77.2 degrees west. This is 182 kilometers south-southwest of Moran Point or 185 kilometers south-southwest of Kingston, Jamaica. Melissa is moving toward the west near 7 kilometers, and a slow westward motion is expected tonight, followed by a turn to the north and the northeast on Monday and Tuesday. On the forecast track, the core of Melissa is expected to move closer to Jamaica and over the island on Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 230 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Additional intensification is forecast over the next day or so, followed by fluctuations in intensity. Melissa is expected to be a powerful major hurricane when making landfall in Jamaica, Monday night or Tuesday morning. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 45 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 335 kilometers. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 700 millimeters, that is 15 to 30 inches, over parts of Jamaica in the next few days, especially over eastern parishes with higher amounts over hilly terrain. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely as the hurricane moves closer. Tropical storm force winds are expected to spread from southeastern sections of Jamaica to the northwest tonight. Hurricane conditions are expected by Monday. Life-threatening storm surge, accompanied by large and destructive waves, is likely along the south coast of Jamaica late Monday through Tuesday morning and could reach 9 to 13 feet above ground level, near to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. Small craft operators, including fishers on the Keys and Banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 8 p.m. tonight. Please note, hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water, or a combination of dangerously high water and an exceptional waves, even though winds expected may be less than hurricane force. Average winds 119 kilometers or higher. That was Bulletin 39, issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good night.